and jaggery, and once again they resell it into the market. Likewise, it is the raw material for the industries. Anyhow, you will be growing the crops, you will be the original owner, and by this you will sell it to the marketers or the distributors. Then once again they resell it by making it as a finished product. They consider this as raw material for their finished product. So this is how the agricultural product is going to be the raw materials for the industries. So dear students, agriculture is the nothing but cultivation of growing or producing of crops with the help of the by having a land. And 70% of the peoples in India depends upon the agriculture, and it is the backbone of India, we can say. It acts as a raw material for the industries. And by having agricultural activity, we doesn't need to depend on other countries to have the things which are required for having the food. And agricultural provides major food supply to the people. It is the main base for other activities. As I said, if you are growing the crops and when you sell it to the industries, it acts as a raw material and major sources of food supply, as I said. And for agriculture, only land is sufficient? No, it requires other factors also for good agriculture. What are they? They need favorable climate, fertile soil, and adequate rainfall. Without these three things, we cannot have the proper crops. So, in area wise, there will be a distribution of rainfall will be different, and it also requires irrigation facilities, that is, supply of water to the agricultural field. So, now we will see the cropping seasons in India. What are the main two cropping season in India? They are Kharif and Rabi seasons. So, what dear students come to your mind when you heard the word Kharif and the Rabi seasons? Rabi seasons is nothing but the crops which are sown or which are grown during winter season, and it will be harvested in summers are called Rabi season. Now coming to the Kharif season means what? Kharif seasons are nothing but the crops which will be grown in the summer and harvested during winter seasons are called Kharif crops. And Kharif crops requires lot of water and need hot weather to grow, whereas Rabi crops requires a cool climate at the time of sowing, when they sow the seeds into the land, and a warm climate during the germination and harvesting. The major crops like rice, millet, sugarcane, maize, pulses, groundnut, cotton, and jute requires are grown or sown to grow. The farmer starts growing during summer and they will be get finished with the during winter season, and these crops requires lot of water and need hot weather, that is summer, as they are going in summer and they get finished with the winter season. Rabi season does not require much water than compared to the kharif crops which they are growing. It requires mild climate and cool climate during germination and harvesting. Major crops grown in these seasons are wheat, mustard, oilseeds, barley, and gram. So, dear students, basically we have two seasons in India. One is Kharif season and the Rabi season. This Kharif season, during this, the crops requires a lot of water and hot weather, and it is sown in which season? Summer season, and harvested in winter. During Rabi season, the crops will be sown in the winter and it will get harvested in summer. And Rabi season requires cool climate and during the germination time and harvesting. And major crops like wheat, mustard, oil seeds, and barley and gram are grown. So, dear students, in today's class, what we generally learned is what is agriculture, why agriculture is important in India, and how it is helpful for the people, and what types of crops generally grown in India, and cropping seasons in India. So, dear students, let us recall the certain meanings which are coming across in this chapter. Agriculture. Agriculture means cultivation of land to produce crops. It includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. Next, the word horticulture. The practice of growing flowers, fruits, and vegetables is known as horticulture. Next, we shall move on to the another word, that is fishing. Fishing, that is getting the fishes from the water bodies. Which are the water bodies? Like lakes, rivers, ponds, oceans and seas. From these, the persons who are involved in the fishing activities get the fishes daily and they sell it in the market for earning money. Next, livestock rearing. The animals such as cows, sheep that farmers keep for their use are called livestock, which are involved in the agricultural activities. Next, harvesting. It is the process of gathering a crop from the fields. Kharif means they are those crops which will be grown during summer season. Then what is Rabi? Rabi crops are those crops which will be grown during winter season. So dear students, in the next class we will be learning about the types of crops grown in India and in detail about the horticulture. So dear students, along with this video, I will be sending you the video related to the agriculture topic. Please go through that video. Thank you.